Well, more than 2 weeks after the Affordable Care Act website opened for business, people are still having problems with it, and some can't register at all. WSBT's Annie Chang has been following this story. Annie, 2 weeks later, still seeing issues, aren't we?
And Cindy, I talked to several area hospitals today, and unfortunately, that's what it sounds like. They told me they haven't been able to sign up any of their patients. They can get accounts and usernames, but when it comes to actually registering for healthcare options, it's just not happening.
Looking at using additional...
Patty Grumo is a trained Affordable Care Act navigator. That means her job is to help people get signed up for the new health insurance. She says the healthcare.gov website has had some glitches since it launched on October 1st.
We have heard and we have experienced some downtimes and some lags in terms of being able to access that. Obviously, that's beyond the scope of our control.
But Grumo says it's getting better. The issue now is working with people who aren't familiar with the ins and outs of healthcare and people who aren't used to working with computers.
I would say just a lack of comfort with navigating computer sites and trying to understand what kind of data are needed for the various fields.
Grumo is one of 30 certified Affordable Care Act navigators in the Beacon Health System. There are 2 full-time staffers dedicated to helping people get registered. Now, the deadline to sign up for the Affordable Care Act is March 31st, but anyone who is able to register by December 15th could start getting coverage by this January. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Annie Chang, WSBT Channel 22 News.
Some experts say healthcare reform could mean more doctors will choose to retire early. Dr. John Weiland says physicians may feel unbalanced by the new law because it requires them to log records electronically. Weiland says the time spent online could potentially take away from the doctor-patient relationship, but others